Hello, welcome to Missy Arts channel. But today's video is more of a comedy type. And this video is a part 2 of transformation makeover drawing. So brace yourself and watch till the end. Let's complete her makeup. First, we will add a little bit of blush to make her blushy. Add some more. Add more, it's never enough. So much better. Next is contouring. Sorry, shading. Let's make her a pretty nose, like me. Why does she kinda look like Uncle Charlie? Now blend. Now let's give her a cute nose, like me. Sorry, like my cute subscribers. Let's add a shiner so her nose shines brighter than your future. All left is lips. Let's quickly do it. You so blank, like your life. Let's do the lipstick again. Something still missing. Ignore my writer self. She loves to brag about her drawing and giving them stories. So, subscribe my channel. Bye.